تاج پسر تو تاج دنیا، تاج دختر عروس دلها. خدای مهربان آن بالا بالا که داره هوای فردای ما را، هوای غصه های عاشقا را. تاجیکستان باغ و گلستان، تاجیکستان باغ و گلستان.
have heard this country perhaps often overlooked due to its more commonly visited neighbour Uzbekistan. I wanted to see this mysterious country for myself and show you why it's one of the most interesting countries to visit in this region. With a population of over 9 million people, this country has a rich culture and history as well as beautiful scenery upon a peaceful river 5,000 meters high. Join me as I explore this unique country, starting by wandering around its peaceful capital, Dushanbe.
مادری مهربان چشم انتظاری، نشسته پشتی در چه بقراری. مادری